What is JSON-RPC and how is it used in the language server protocol? JSON-RPC is a protocol for communication using JSON messages. It primarily uses the request-response model. A request is made up of the JSON-RPC field with the version number, the method, which is a function to invoke, the params, which are the function arguments, and an ID, which is the unique message identifier. As suggested by the name JSON-RPC, this is sent as JSON to the server. Here we see that JSON-RPC version number is 2.0. The method we want to invoke on the server is sum. We're giving it the params of 3, 4, and 5, and we're sending a unique message identifier, in this case 1. This is sent from the client to the server. The server evaluates the method with the params and then responds. The response has a JSON-RPC version number, a result if it was successful, indicating the success content. This content can be any valid JSON. An error if it was unsuccessful, that has a code message and data about the failure. And then the ID that was passed by the client being given back to the client to indicate that this closes the request response loop. This is what an example response might look like from the server. And it's sent back to the client. So here you can see the entire loop of communication. The client sends a request, hey server, I'd like you to sum up 3, 4, and 5, and the server sends back 12. The LSP uses JSON-RPC for communication between the text editor and the language server. When JSON-RPC is used in the LSP, there is one change. We specify a content length header, which tells the server and client the amount of bytes that they're going to receive in this RPC message. This makes it easier to know where a message ends. Here's an example of how you could encode this. We'll start with our JSON-RPC request object. We'll convert it to a string. We'll calculate the number of bytes in the string. Then we'll construct a message, which is the content length header, followed by the number of bytes, our new line characters, and then the string itself. To look back at our previous examples, here's the client message with the content length header prefixed. And then here's the server message with the content length header prefixed. Finally, it all looks like this.